Hello, grade 9 math students. My name is Mr. Lee, for those of you who don't know me. And I just want to make this quick video to help you with your course selections for next year. Pretty soon you'll be asked to select which math course you want to pick next year. And you've got a big decision to make, especially for you students who are coming from the grade 9 D-streamed math. Before I get started, I just wanted to let you know that all of this information is available on our website. So if you go here and then go over to secondary, come down to courses and select mathematics, you'll end up going to our website here that outlines all of the courses that are available to you and all the course descriptions. Now, I can use this, but I'm going to go and just use the one that's in my presentation. So here's what you'll see online that'll outline all the stuff, but I'm going to use mine just because it's the one that matches in our classrooms. So here you are in grade 9 D-streamed math. Other than the students who decided to take workplace math, all grade 9 math students were in the same class. There was no academic or applied like in your other classes. Now you get to make the decision going into grade 10. Are you going to go to grade 10 academic, or are you going to go to grade 10 applied? And that's a big decision. And so I wanted to make sure you had an idea of what those two classes look like. So let's look at grade 9 academic and applied grade 10 academic and applied right now and give you an idea. Now I'll let you read all the fun stuff that you're going to do next year about quadratics and everything like that on your own time. But what I want to stress is this line here that's highlighted. So to go to grade 10 academic, we make a recommendation that in order for students to meet the standards of grade 10 academic with success and confidence, a minimum of level 3 or 70% in grade 9 D-streamed math is strongly recommended. So what we have seen in the past is the students who come out of grade 9 with a 70% or higher are well prepared for grade 10 academic. And if you didn't quite or maybe struggled in grade 9 grade 9 D-streamed and didn't quite get to that 70% or level 3 level, then we would recommend that you take grade 10 applied. Now, if you just got, say, 68 in grade 9, does that mean you can't take grade 10 academic? No, you can choose whatever one you want. But what we've seen is the students who get lower than 70% really struggle in grade 10. And we want you to make sure that you're set up for success. Okay, so you can make that option and make that decision for grade 10. Now, what you need to know, though, is depending on which pathway you choose will depend on what options you have for grade 11 and 12. So make sure you look and decide when you're going to choose between academic or applied. See if that will lead to the pathway that you want to go. So for example, if you're interested in going to university in mathematics, then you'd make sure that you definitely stay in grade 10 academic. But if maybe college is an option for you or the workplace, and you're maybe struggling in that, then maybe grade 10 applied is a good option for you. Now, some of you who are watching this video haven't even taken math. So how are you going to be able to know without ever taking grade 9 math, which one is a good option for you? What I would recommend to you is think about other grade 9 classes you took this year at the academic or applied level. So for example, what did you take in grade 9 science? Did you take academic science? Did you do well in academic science? If you did, chances are you'll be okay for grade 10 academic math. Similarly with English and things like that. So if you took those academic classes and you were doing okay, chances are in grade 9 you would do okay as well. But if maybe in grade 9 science, whether it was academic or applied, you found that it was a bit of a struggle, then maybe you might want to think about choosing grade 10 applied mathematics now, even though you haven't had a chance to take grade 9. Now, later on, if you take grade 9 and find out that you're doing it really well and you chose applied, we can always switch you to academic. But usually students will choose courses in the same pathway. So think about what you're going to take in grade 9 science, grade 10 science and grade 10 English, and chances are you'll probably do the same thing in mathematics. But remember that regardless, even if you haven't taken it and you choose and you want to choose something else or make a switch afterwards, that option is available. But it's best to make a really good informed decision right now. Now, if you have taken math, then talk to your grade 9 math teacher. They best know you and will give you the best recommendation for success in grade 10. So ask for their advice. And if you can't get a hold of them, feel free to reach out to me. Come to the math office and ask for Mr. Lee, and I can help you with those decisions. Especially if you're a student who hasn't taken math, I can maybe help you, give you an idea of what grade 9 was like. Or talk to a student who did take grade 9 math. They might be able to give you some advice and let you know what it's like, and they know you as a student. Okay? But if you're concerned, don't be afraid to come ask me so that you can make the best decision going into grade 10. So, best of luck with your course selections, and I really hope to see you around the school, especially in math class. Take care.